back to the Earl Entertainment YouTube channel. Today, we got this go-kart finally up and running. Now what this is a Carter go-kart, and it's got a Predator 301. Now we did have to put a new torque converter belt on. We had to cut the shroud here a little bit to get it to clear the exhaust, and we had to repair the throttle cable as well. But this thing is ready to run. Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna be chasing behind them on this Can-Am DS90. Let's go. Switch on, chokes on. Well, make sure she's not scared, okay? Paisley, keep your hand inside the go-kart. There you go. All right. Fan come off. Well, there you have it. That's the Carter go-kart with a 301 Predator. Should be a fun little toy to have around the house. I'm kind of going through it now, trying to work all the kinks out before we take it down the trails. More to come on this thing. Till the next time, Earl Entertainment. Peace.